one consolidation, so we put various bags.
It's in Nyeri.
By dollars.
Yeah. So and there's a specialty trader who imported them. So they bought them in Kenya and then they shipped them out. These containers arrive with about 20 to 30 different lots in one container. So it's really small batches from 5 to 10, 15 bags. Very specific. So this type of bag, you notice directly in the warehouse. So Colombia is very specific and Brazil is very specific bag. They just pop out if you walk through. So it's a bit guessing which one to be placed in front and which in the back. Like this we can put more bags on the same space, but it is to do the order picking it would be feasible in this kind of bag.
See so much coffee in one place?
I wish it was all Kenyan Coffee.
Taxes doesn't need to be paid only when the goods are sold.
I think that's what we need to do
That's
with new KBC.
So they can come and use this wood and warehousing.
Yeah, we can do that. We do it for a lot of
You know something? They need to come
They came in
this
store?
year and we agree. Yeah, they can get some warehouse facility.
Yeah.
And they can bring the
Visiting in Nairobi, warehousing, they sell it to the city.
Yeah. That's actually what.
Let's make it happen like
Make it
that.
happen.
And not there yesterday.
The guy who loaded the container will know where the coffee came from, which plantation or which cooperative the coffee came from. So with that number we can go from the parcel in the store to origin. So we have both ways we can. So these guys do the handling of all the system, they get us a few. Unfortunately, shredding your nice Kenyan coffee bags into pieces to be reloaded in bulk.
Yeah, there's a lot this time.
Bring it here, then the roosters can get through. And also the president, because you see, the guy is in between the guys. What they get for